Welcome to this informative video. Are you or someone you know struggling to stay longer on bed with weak erections or low sperm count? If so, this video is for you. As someone who has personally tasted this recipe, I'm excited to share with you a natural solution that has worked wonders for me. In this video, I'll be sharing a simple yet effective remedy that you can try at home. So, be sure to watch until the end. Take notes and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health-related content.
So that's nice. So actually just lunch because all last meal. Bye. 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 Bye.